So we're gonna make the Mastelo dish that's on the menu here at the restaurant. So here we have a piece of Mastelo, and they told me how they make it, so they're gonna cut it, they cut it right in half. And then we're gonna cut it down the center. So this would be 2 portions. And all they do is grill it. So we have here, nice hot grill. I'm gonna grill this down. Look at that, nice and hot. So we're gonna give it a little bit more time. You can see that nice char already on the sides. Look at that, it's melting. Flip this. Mastelo cheese is only made here in Chios, so it is one of the most popular cheeses that you'll see on all the menus in Chios. Flip that. Put this right here on the plate, like that. And then they serve this here with a special homemade tomato jam. So here's the tomato jam that they've made. It looks like it has a little bit of spice in it, little sweet tomato. And here's their dish. Look at that. Can't wait to try this.